Hello! Today we're going to talk about complete sentences in English and what you have to do to make a sentence. First of all, sentences start with a capital letter. At the first of every sentence should be a capital letter. They end with a punctuation mark. Sentences have complete ideas. Sentences have a subject and a predicate. So let's talk about all of those different things. First of all, sentences start with a capital letter. Here are some sentences. Miguel runs fast. Grace likes to learn. Today is a happy day. He will think about books. Look at the first of every sentence. Each one of those letters is a capital letter. And the other words don't have capital letters unless they are a name. So if we looked at a paragraph, I just took this off of a web page. It says fruits and vegetables add nutrients to your diet. Anyway, but if we look at the sentences, there were only 2 sentences there, and each of them started with a capital letter. Then the second thing that sentences do is they end with a punctuation mark. They either have a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Here are some sentences. Barney is my dog. Trucks carry tools. Grandpa was sleepy. I like books. They all end with a period at the end. Here are some questions. Will you call me? Can Megan sing too? Is Oscar making salsa? How many pieces would you like? They all end with a question mark. Or an exclamation point. I want cookies. You are a great friend. Spain is beautiful. He is tall. All of those sentences end with an exclamation point. So every sentence must end with a punctuation mark. The other thing sentences have to have is they must have complete ideas. Here are some sentences. Sugar is sweet. Laura loves animals. Computers are cool. Vegetables are healthy. They have a complete idea. Sentences have to have a subject and a predicate. The subject is the noun part, and it tells us who or what the sentence is about. And the predicate is a verb part. It tells what the subject does or what it is. So, let's look at some examples. Here's a sentence. Pamela walks to school. Pamela is the noun part. She is the subject. Predicate is the verb part. She walks to school. When we put it together, Pamela walks to school. Let's look at these sentences. Jaime worked all day. Susan loved her children. Aaron wrote a book. The subject is who the sentence is about, and they are about Jaime, Susan, and Aaron. And the predicate tells what they did. Jaime worked all day. Worked all day is the predicate. Susan loved her children. Loved her children is the predicate. Aaron wrote a book. Wrote a book is the predicate. So when you are writing a sentence, make sure it starts with a capital letter, ends with a punctuation mark, is a complete idea, and that it has a subject and a predicate. You can go to my website, and I have a lot of other activities for you to look at. My website is elementarylanguagelessons.com, and the link will be below in the description. Also, I have a link for a little quiz that you can take on complete sentences that will help you practice everything that we just learned. And I hope to see you later. Goodbye.